Welcome to Dr. Ron Reflects as I continue my working through the Bible following the Robert Murray M'Cheyne reading through the Bible. I'm in the book of James, and I came across those famous words in James chapter 1, verses 2 and 3. I just have to read them to you this morning. Consider it pure joy, my brothers and sisters, whenever you face trials of many kinds, because you know that the testing of your faith produces perseverance. I'm sure you have discovered that life has a way of testing us. Even in places where we thought we were strong, unexpected delays, closed doors, silent waiting, and hundreds of other things. James' challenge to consider it pure joy, my brothers and sisters, whenever you face trials of many kind, seems rather upside down, but it's really a wonderful way to live. The first thing that he says, and as you know, I'm going to look at three things. The first thing is that trials are not proof that God has left me. Difficulty is not the same thing as abandonment. Actually, he does some of his deepest work in the hardest seasons of our lives. Second, perseverance is built, not bought. Patience is not developed in a microwave, but a slow cooker. Strength, perseverance is developed slowly. It's doing God's will in the harder seasons. And then the third thing I want to say about this passage of scripture, joy is a choice, a willful choice rooted in trust. Biblical joy is not pretending, hey, everything is okay. It's confidence that God can bring his perfect plan and peace in the midst of what's going on. You know, hundreds of years ago, when blacksmiths were the order of the day, they would take the metal, put it in the fire. Now, if metal wasn't inanimate and could have feelings, that would be painful. But the fire tests, but also transforms. And that's what James is saying here about these things. I hope you'll join me for a new endeavor this coming Sunday as I begin Sundays on the Porch, in which I'll take a subject, we'll have a verse that we'll look at, a passage I'll preach from, and a book that I'm reading that has helped me on that particular subject. This week, the beginning one is going to be on forgiveness. I'll post it on all of the internet places between 1 and 3 on Sunday afternoon. Have a great and blessed day.